Let's have a look at the students' learning outcomes. After completing this unit, students will be able to identify and pronounce with a reasonable accuracy common consonant clusters in initial positions, for example, STR and THR, etc. Recognize that as letters of words change, so do the sounds. Articulate, recognize, and use some formulaic expressions to seek permission to do something. Identify, articulate, and differentiate between the sounds of individual letters, digraphs in initial and final position of words. Read tables and charts in the classroom. Interact with the text and use reading strategies while reading to follow sequence in a simple procedure or a picture map. Articulate, recognize, and use some formulaic expressions to seek permission to do something. Use questioning words what, who, where, when, why. Use and respond to simple sentences showing requests and commands both physically and in the speech. Comprehend and respond to simple WH questions. Write numbers from 1 to 50 in words. Write ordinal numbers 1st to 10th in words. Identify position of objects using ordinal numbers. Demonstrate common conventions and dynamics of oral interactions in group to participate in conversation.